Hi guys, happy Friday. How's everyone? For today's mini vlog, let's talk about the amazing concept of Ability Bottle Depot here in South Lethbridge, Canada. Imagine a place where you can deposit all of your containers, empty containers, cans, bottles, and turn it into an instant cash. How amazing, right? Only here in Canada. So how I wish we can also have this in the Philippines so everyone mag-iipon na talaga ng mga empty bottles nila because, papalitan ng cash, sino bang aayaw, right? So, since September last year, nag-ipon kami. So, until now, naka 3 black bags yata kami. Pero hindi naman siya totally puno kasi yun lang yung naipon namin for that time. So, iniisip namin papalitan na siya. So, binababa na siya ni Habi. And hello, maliit na bata. Nandyan po siya sa gilid at tumatalon-talon. So, okay, excited na ba kayo? Excited na rin ako. Actually, first time namin to eh. Let's check it out inside. Kawawa naman si Habi, siya lang nagdala. Okay lang. For the video sake. Okay, let's check it out. Inside, ito yung kanilang warehouse. So yan, makikita nyo sa loob lahat ng mga nire-recycle nila. So may queue dyan, waiting kami. So pinicturean ko yung mga gallons na kinakount nila. Ayan. So yun na po yung total. Wow! Amazing, right? We earned like $15.15. Not bad. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye!